Let's get this Wednesday night live stream going, right? I normally don't live stream on Wednesday, but I had to share this breaking news with you. Some great things to share with you in the cryptocurrency world. So I'm really excited about. Get your Doge coins ready. So come in, hit like and hit share. And also bring on your comments as well, right? Let's get this party started. And let me hit my own light up to my live stream. Periscope. Announcement on Periscope. This is my last or the last Wednesday, right? To broadcast on Periscope. Everything is moving to Twitter from Periscope. So my Periscope audience and people, make sure, right, that you follow me on Twitter. I'm also on Twitter as Queen of Crypto as well. So let's get this breaking news in. Very excited about the month of April and even more excited about the people's currency and Dogecoin. So come in, hurry up, let's go, let's go. This won't be long. Drop your city and or state, or just simply come in and say, hello, Queen, right? Just simply say hello. So we have the Phoenix. Good evening to you. Phoenix 33 is in the crypto, the credit, and cash flow room. Hello, Phoenix. Gigi is in saying hello, Gigi, right? Good evening to you, Detroit, great evening to you as well from Detroit, right, Michigan. And we have K Love coming in as well, right? So this is your do now, whether you are watching this live or on the replay, right? As you are coming in, as you are saying hello, even if you're watching this on the replay, right? Say hello on the replay. Even if you're watching this on the replay, say hello on the replay or drop your city or drop your state, right? Or do all three and hit the like button and share. It's going to be very important that you like and share because in the future, I'm going to announce this probably tomorrow. For people that like and share, I'm actually going to do a $200 Bitcoin giveaway. So go ahead and get in the habit, whether you're watching live or on the replay, of liking on Facebook and YouTube, Periscope, hit those hearts, invite your followers, show some digital love, and share this on Twitter, right? Because some lucky follower will have an opportunity to get into my $200 Bitcoin giveaway. So let's go. I'll have more on that tomorrow. We have New York in the crypto and credit cash flow room. One of my Patreon members, Miss Collier, hello. Thanks for coming in. Purple, hello. GE is in. Hello to you, Purple. And Renato 313 is saying hello, 313. Just visit respect. Hello, 313, right? New member, thank you so much for supporting the channel, the knowledge, the time, and the information. We got Paul in. Thank you, Paul, for being a Patreon member and for your support as well. Thank you so much. We got Patreon members represented tonight. We got Deborah in as well. Hello, Deborah. Thank you so much, Queen. My queens and kings in for supporting the channel and being a Patreon member and getting that information that I don't share public, right? That insider, outsider information by being the Patreon member, right? We got Cali in. Hello, California. All right, today represented the 2 year or the 2 days from Nipsey's death in California. So thank you for California for tuning in, liking, and sharing as well. We have Tracy in from North Carolina as we have 5 seconds to the 5 minutes of fame ends, in which you can drop your city and or state. Good evening. Replay. We got Illinois in the credit and crypto cash flow room. So like, share, and comment as the 5 minutes of fame has ended. Thanks for everyone that came in, and for everyone that shares this, whether you're watching live on the replay, right? You invite about 20 more people. That's the power of you liking and sharing. And make sure that you comment as well. So thank you for those who made it in the 5 minutes of fame. And those who come in later, I will highlight your name. Might not speak it out, but I will stay on topic, right? And from all over the states, because this is the year 2021 of the Great Reset, right? And we will be rich in the recession, right? And so I want you to do this too. If you're watching live or even on the replay. Now, if you are a Patreon member or you always give to super chats, I want you to put in the comment section that you're a family, right? Just put in family, whether live on the replay. If you are a client, right, whether you came through me for credit services or you ordered the Cash on Crypto book report and you invested in crypto, or maybe you did both, right? Maybe you got your credit and your crypto game up by following me. I want you to put client, right? I want you to put client. And then some of you might feel this is my first time. And so I'm just going to be family. Some of you are family and clients, right? All in one. So let's get into the topic. And again, I'm known in the credit and cash flow world as simply as Queen, right? But now because my shift or focus is on cryptocurrency, I'm also known as the Queen of Crypto, right? Formerly known as the Queen of Credit. So let's start with Dogecoin first, right? Wow, breaking news. Let's start with Dogecoin first, as we got the family coming in. Thanks for coming in, fam. We have client and family, right? Gigi, thank you so much. We got Tashana is coming in as family. The Phoenix is in as family, right? Thank you so much again for that replay, Illinois, for coming in. So big Dogecoin news. Big Dogecoin news. Thank you so much again. I'm sorry, I got my echo in the background. Let me sure I cut that off. And crypto.com, as you all may or may not know, have began to offer NFTs collection on their platform. I told you all Monday, I think, was the last time that I live streamed that because of the many big changes that crypto.com is doing on that platform, that I also invested in, or I increased my investments in the CRO coin. So another big announcement for the Dogecoin holders or hodlers, and also those who have crypto.com. It says sound on, right? Right? Get your Dogecoins ready. Dropping Friday, this Friday, April 2nd, 4 o'clock p.m., right? Pacific Standard Time. Snoop Dogg's first non-fungible token collection, right? NFT titled A Journey with the Dogg, including an original soundtrack. And you can only find this at crypto.com/NFT. You can only find this at crypto.com. So let's get a sneak peek.
Quick way to get your ass kicked. Oh yeah, this is another class. 2021. Snoop Dogg. NFT. Never forget to pass it. Quickest way to get your ass kicked. Oh yeah, this is another class. 2021. Snoop Dogg. NFT. Never forget to pass it. Quickest way to get your ass kicked. Oh yeah, this is another class.
So I don't know about you all, right? Gigi coming in. Thank you so much, Queen, for the super chat. Thank you so much for that donation. But hey, I'm excited. I'm excited for two reasons. Number one, because I am a Dogecoin holder, right? You can definitely invest in Dogecoins on crypto.com website. And number two, I am also, right, in addition to a crypto.com holder as well, right? I have those CRO coins. You can stake them and earn additional interest on your investments. So I have two reasons to be excited, right? So I don't know what exchange that you have. I shared with you all in my Cash on Crypto report about the exchange of crypto.com. It's one of the ones that I favor and I love. And this is why. So expecting big, big things, right? Big things in the future. And also in addition to big things for Dogecoin. This may be that NFT pump that we need coming from Snoop, right? You know, you have Gene Simmons, you have Snoop Dogg, you have Elon Musk supporting it back in Doge, a lot of famous celebrities. You have what's the other rapper name? Is it Boosie? No, it's not. Not Boost. You all help Queen out. Thank you so much, Queen, for the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for supporting the knowledge, the information, and the time, right? So big thing going on for Doge and BTT, Doge and BTT, right? Did you mean BTC or BTT? Let me know. David coming in says he has the ruby red CRO coin. If you all have any of those ruby reds or midnight blue or the green cards, you can put your card color in as well in the comment section. Whether you were watching this live or you catching the replay, I always participate, right? I always make a mind message connection and participate, right? Okay, BTT, thank you, BTT Pump, loving it as well. Forbes Golf says, I'm trying to be a customer, but I'm not getting a response. With crypto.com, they do require high identity profile. Sometimes they'll ask you to take a selfie of yourself with your name, and it may take sometimes 1 to 2 weeks. But I do love that about crypto.com. They're trying to, at the highest level, secure your security, right? So that you can secure your crypto. So, you know, I do like that about them. And so hopefully that will come through for you as well, right? I'm investing, but you're a novice, don't know where to start. Start with ordering my book on cashoncrypto.com. That's especially good for beginners, even advanced people, and even experts, right? So no matter what level you're on, it will help you on any type of level. And because it breaks down not only what cryptocurrency is, but it also gives you an overview of why this is the great reset. It gives you the financial education that many people don't know, and that they do need, right, in order to make these moves. Starting all the way back until the back into 1971 and 1933 of the other currency system resets, right? Of the other currency system reset, so you can understand where we've been, and I say we, I mean in the United States, and where we're headed or where we're going, right? A lot of people think, or they don't have the knowledge that these currency system resets on average happens every 10 years, right? The last one was 2008. So we're 3 years overdue, people. We're 3 years overdue. So it is time for a currency system reset. And what side of the equation will you be on? Will you be on the prosperity side, or will you be on the poverty side? Your decisions, right, will decide your end result, right? Your decisions will decide your end result. So we have some people, BitTorrent, I guess that's what you are referring to. BitTorrent, I think it did have, if that's what you're referring to, like a 10%, I think pump today. They have some contracts with Tron. Um, CKB, yes, I love CKB. I invest in CKB on Voyager app, and Voyager is also one of those coins, along with CRO, the exchange coin that I'm invested in as well. And we have David in that says that he's big on VeChain and Harmony. Yes, expecting some big things out of both of those as well. So again, I have some new people commenting, like David Kahim. Let me know if you all are a client or your family. You may say, Queen, I never purchase your books or your products. You never help me in the credit repair services. However, I'm on your live stream. I'm not a Patreon, but I feel like I'm family. I'm commenting, and I'm giving you my knowledge and my information and my investments to make the channel a better channel. So whether you're watching this live or on the replay, let me know if you are a client in the comment section or if you're a family. So that's the big news for both, again, Doge and CRO coin. Now, let's go to Bitcoin, and then I'm going to get on $100 silver, because you all know that I not only believe in the crypto world, right? I believe in the currency world as well. And this is why I have my Queen of Coins silver stacking report as well, right? Silver stacking report as well. So CoinDesk released this article today that a bull flag, which is what we're in the crypto world, as we have Bitcoin at the time of this recording at $59,272, right? Big gains for Bitcoin, right? I'm expecting it to hit 60K probably by Friday or Saturday of this week, right? Of this week. So what a great Easter weekend gift to yourself if you are a Bitcoin holder or hodler, right? The bull flag calls for 70K Bitcoin, but it still is drawing skepticism from rivalry analysts. There's a debate amongst Bitcoin technical analysts over whether the bull flag chart um, pattern even has a flagpole, right? So is a bull flag wishful thinking? Analysts are raising a yellow flag about the last call for $70,000 Bitcoin. Again, this was released today. A debate is raging among Bitcoin traders after the chart reading analysts spotted a pattern known as a bull flag, right? That portending a coming rally of 70,000 or beyond for Bitcoin. I think both of those will happen. $70,000 and beyond, right? So they're noticing bull flag or pattern, right? But there are some analysts that say they disagree that there is a flag pattern, because there is no real flagpole preceding the constellation phase that has been resolved to the upside. A technical analyst for Fair-Led Strategies, Katie Stockton, says so. It's a debate. However, you all know my thoughts on this. Some analysts have even said or modeled that they forecast 100,000 or even $1 million Bitcoin based on range methods, right? There are some traders who are currently calling for a rally to 70,000 Bitcoin in the short term. I definitely, this is just, I'm not a technical analysis or professional. I'm not even a financial advisor, right? But I definitely think that we will see 100K Bitcoin by August or September of this year of 2021. But again, I'm not your financial advisor. I just give financial education and information, right? So this flag breakout signals that any asset is likely to move upwards, right? And so this is a preceding bull move, which is known as the pole. In this case, the breakout has created an opening for the prices of Bitcoin to move 70K. Isn't that exciting? Or beyond. 70K or beyond. So we will see traditionally, right? And let me share this screen with you all so you can see. Traditionally, you agree with that as well? I'm just reading some comments, you all. Give me a second. All right, you agree with the 100K. So let me share this with you as well. Chart. This is, if you see that purple, these purple lines, the parallel channel bull flag, right here within the purple lines. See, and this is where the projection of the 70K benchmark is projecting to be. Right, I do agree with that. You know, some analysts said this pattern does not qualify, but I see Bitcoin moving forward. Now, I see Bitcoin propelling and moving forward to those prices. So let me take a time real quick to read some of my comments. I think I have some people about credit. Let's see what's going on with this credit queen. I don't know nothing, just pursuing to open an account with Michigan First Credit Union, thinking about checking out Will Roundtree. Have you heard of him? Yes, I have heard of Will Roundtree, right? I have heard of Will Roundtree. XRP boom, right? Right. Um, right. David says there are some analysts that said Bitcoin will never go anywhere. And believe it or not, David, there are some YouTubers who give financial advice who was telling people even on last year, right? Including Dave Ramsey and some of the Dave Ramsey believers or followers, that it was a bad idea, even when Bitcoin was $3,000 to $5,000 in 2020. Around this very much time of 2020, you could have gotten Bitcoin when it was between $3,000 to $5,000 around March of 2020. And there are some YouTubers who people still listen to by financial advice that told people do not invest in Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin is at 58,000, approaching $60,000 again. I don't know why people are still listening to their YouTube channels, but they still get thousands of views, right? So it is what it is, right? Kaheem says, I also ordered that Midnight Blue Visa. Yes, 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 yes. Nakia says she missed the big news. I will go back over there at the end of the live stream then, just for you. Bullish on XRP. You gotta be bullish on XRP. Why not be bullish, right, on XRP, right? Why not be bullish on XRP? That's a great thing to be bullish on as well. David, in his opinion, says instead of putting all your money in Bitcoin, we need to focus on the next Bitcoin like Cardano or Ethereum. I think the next Bitcoin is going to be XRP. Cardano, Ethereum will do well as well. Ethereum is almost at 2,000 today. However, there is still room for growth for Bitcoin. I always tell people, do your dollar cost averaging, right? Do your dollar cost averaging. Only you know how much you have in your budget to invest, right? Only you know, right? So, for example, if someone had $10,000 and they're projecting a $10,000 increase next month for Bitcoin, then maybe a $10,000 investment in Bitcoin for them will do well because Bitcoin still have a lot of gains. However, versus someone with $500, maybe a Cardano, Ethereum, a Crypto.com coin, a VeChain, Ethereum might do better for them as well. And mostly, Mostly, uh, most people are not bullish on Bitcoin because they missed the wave. And it's really their self reflection of themselves to discourage people to try to motivate themselves to think, you know what, I missed out on a great opportunity because I listened to either a Dave Ramsey follower or person that had a Dave Ramsey mindset on YouTube, or fear of my own action or limited beliefs. And now I'm going to discourage as many people as I can to get out of Bitcoin because I did not make that right decision. I don't do that. There is still growth room for Bitcoin. But again, I always tell people to do dollar cost averages, right? My daughter invested $500, for example, Bitcoin in June, I think, June or July of last year. And she's only about $4,000 up, right? Had she put that into Ethereum, right, this time last year, she would have had bigger and better gains on the capital returns. However, if she holds that $500 for 5 years, because she's 21 years old, in Bitcoin, she could be a millionaire. So it all depends on your perspective, right? She can't afford, right, to sit on $500 in Bitcoin for 5 years. Why? Because her mother pays all her bills. It all depends on your situation. There is no right or wrong answer. Everything from your credit to your cash flow to your crypto advice should be customized to fit your financial situation. There is no right or wrong answer. It's just not. And I know people want it to be. Oh, people say do dollar cost averaging. Invest in this coin. You'll get more back. Well, if someone can afford to sit on $500 in $1 billion asset like Bitcoin for 5 years, then for them, that's a great financial advice. And I tell people, although we all may be family on my channel or you might be a client, none of you all, including myself, are financial advisors. So you have to get financial education and make decisions based on your financial situation, not based on what people come on my live stream and comment about. Because only you know your financial situation. And then once you have all the information and education, then you make the right decision that you feel like is best for you. Right? So Renard says, to you, Queen, much respect. My first account ever, Michigan Credit Union, used to be Shoebox. LOL, excuse me, okay. I don't know why we're talking about Michigan Credit Union, but okay. I'm not into Bitcoin, but it's a good investment. I'm very happy for everyone that's getting in it right now. Thank you. There's some positive, great energy. Right. Hello, millionaires are us. And I love calling out your name because to me, it's a faith proclamation that everyone on my channel, everyone on this live stream, and everyone that watched the replay will definitely be millionaires or us. So you force me or you faith me, right? Faith me to say that name every time you come on and I highlight your name. So thank you. Thank you so much. Now, let's get into something that I'm just as excited about. Because again, if you all follow me or have been following me for any amount of time, right, you know that I always encourage the investment of silver as well, right? Silver and gold, gold on a spiritual level, right? Because if your spirit is right, if you don't have the spirit of greed, if your motive is right, right, then spirit having silver 22, 24 karat gold. I'm not talking about 14 to 18. I'm not saying anything against 14 karat gold, but it's better to have the silver in its purest form. I mean, gold in its purest form And now silver, which is both a monetary metal, right, and an industrial metal as well, is when I saw this article that said $100 silver ahead, I automatically, instantaneously, right, got excited and was excited to share this with you, right? I was excited to share this article with you. So again, if you have not ordered, and you can actually get like a 2-for-1 type of ordeal, right? If you have not ordered the Queen of Coins Silver Stacking Report, the question is, what are you waiting for? Right? What are you waiting for? So you can go to fixmycreditandcash.com, people, and get both reports, and you can save $15. Right? You can get the cash on crypto report for $75 small investment, or you can get both reports and save $15 for an even smaller investment of $60. This gives you the information of what type of silver to invest in. What's the difference between 0.999 silver versus 0.9999 silver? The difference between silver bars, silver bullion, silver coins, right? Silver rounds. What silver, when it's time to resell for capital gains purposes, do not have to be reported to the IRS. They call that, or is referred to as a 1099B form. All of this is the education information you need to know to take advantage of silver in this fourth industrial revolution. There's also a monetary coin that's used for money, as well as an industrial coin that will be used for 5G, catalytic converters that have silver and platinum, smartphones, the batteries in smartphone that will hold these cryptocurrencies. Again, the 5G towers and Wi-Fi. Silver shortages, people, solar energy, right? All of these things, right? So let's share the article with you and get into silver. $100 silver ahead again. So being a silver investor over the last few weeks has become more, it says, challenging. And this was 11 hours ago, released today. It's true for even silver enthusiasts that all silver had a standout in 2020. In 2020 alone, people's silver gained a 47%. Right, that's its best year since 2010. The best year since 2010. As a matter of fact, silver has outpaced gold by 25% return. And that's why I've been educated and informing you all that silver is an actual better return on your investment than gold. Gold purposes is to attract wealth to you. That's why you see Mr. T and all your spiritual people dripping and drooling in gold. It's an attractor of wealth, right? Silver, however, has out-returned gold. I think that gold in the long term will, have $10,000 advantage on it. But when you look at dollar cost averaging or your ROI, return on investment, getting silver right now for $30 an ounce for it to eventually get to $100 and then expect it to $1,000 an ounce is a big deal, right? So it seems that the silver pressures on silver prices are likely from two angles. The first, and after such an impressive 2020 was due to correct. That's what markets do. That's what people don't understand about cryptocurrency sometimes. But higher yields are a sign of soaring inflation. We're going to see soaring inflation expectations, economic activity, and a stronger US dollar, which favors imports over export, is probably not a favored outcome You will not see a stronger US dollar, people. And as a matter of fact, you're going to see a weaker. So patience is the best approach, right? And this is the end of the silver correction is near. So silver pricing averaging $29.28 this year. He's saying this is modest supply of silver right now. We're in a supply deficit for silver, right? And the push for green energy, remember I told you all that, combined with massive infrastructure of spending and stalwart investment demand should keep a bid under the silver price and help it rise again. So silver has taken a dip, it's down 9%, right? After outperforming gold in 2020, it's down 9% so far in 2021. However, it has retreated 19% since its peak in August, near $30, right? So the point is, silver corrections come with territories. Between 2002 in 2006, it took a drop again, right? But again, expecting the prices of silver to explode after these corrections. Multiple currencies. Listen, they have a chart of 20 years of silver gains. So I'm going to put this link to the article in the comments so you can go back and reread at your leisure. LaKendrick Smith, thank you so much for showing that love, that support for the channel with the 19.99 super chat. Everyone that gives a super chat, whether you're live on the replay, and also I know you all see the Cash App strolling at the bottom of the screen. I have a lot of people that come in and give the Cash Apps as well. You always know that my prayer to you, if you're not a thousandaire, is Deuteronomy 1:11, that you become a thousandaire and that the God of the universe increase you 1,000 times more. And if you are a thousandaire already, maybe you already have a six-figure income, that you now become, excuse me one second, a millionaire or a billionaire, right? A millionaire or a billionaire. So thank you so much for the 19.99 super chat. So the world average of silver is, I think, up 12% gains over the last decade. And so again, expecting big thing due to inflation, due to the new currency push, and looking at silver from a technical perspective, just expecting it to increase. $100 silver, according to this article, is definitely within reach. So if you want to go back and read this article at your leisure, please do so. Thank you so much. All my kings and queens that give to Cash App or super chat to the channel, thank you so much for the 19.99 super chat as well, right? The 19.99 super chat as well. Thank you so much. And so, people, that's what I want to share with you all about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Crypto.com, Voyager Coin, CKB, physical silver, not ETFs, right? Friday, April 2nd, even if you want to invest in NFT, it is great time right now, right? With the Snoop Dogg or Snoop Doge NFT being released this Friday. Great time to be in position for prosperity. April will be a great month for cryptocurrency as well. So if you position yourself, right? Position yourself. Don't be pissed at yourself for missing out, but position yourself for prosperity, right? Position yourself for prosperity. Thank you so much again, kings and queens, because that's exactly what I attract to my channel for the super chat, right? For the super chat. And so someone asked me, and I want you all to know this as well. I want you all to know this as well, is that Bitcoin and XRP is controlled by China, right? Again, let me say this again. No one really knows what the future of Bitcoin will look like because it's controlled by China. The digital yuan is being released next year during the Winter Olympics, which will be the global reserve currency, stable coin currency, and it will be backed by gold. And that gold backing will be inclusive of XRP. Now, America, the Babylon is falling. America was the only country, people, that had the freedom, right, and the of the opportunities for economic empowerment that other countries did not have. The last country. So the America, the Babylon is falling, right? Thank you so much, Marquell King, all right, for the $9.99 super chat. So America, the Babylon is falling. They don't want any countries that freedom and rights. Our world reserve currency will fall, and China, the dragon, will rise. They're issuing out their digital yuan next year so people can take it back to their prospective countries and it can be proclaimed as the world reserve currency. They have obtained more gold, right, which is money. Gold and silver is money. And they're going to be the financial powerhouse. And America, in a lot of ways, is going to look a lot like China, right? It's going to look a lot like China. Helen, there may be something with your internet. I think everything is fine on my end. So, people, you have to position yourself. There's increasingly limited amount of supply of Bitcoin that's even available. This is what people don't understand about Bitcoin. Just like it's difficult or challenging to get XRP at this time. And I do want to make an announcement. I did a premiere on yesterday, and I have been telling people that you can still invest in XRP through Uphold. But I did not know, right, until one of my followers informed me that you do have a wallet through Uphold. You can have a wallet through Uphold or wallet address. And I went into my Uphold account and it was true. When you go to Uphold, give me 1 second. When you go to Uphold, you will see let me log in. What section did I go under? Uphold. I just saw it yesterday. But it is wallet address. I don't know if I can find it on this live stream. I found it when they was talking to me. Let me see. I'm gonna try to when I click on it and transact. Well, you can transfer it, but it is a wallet address on Uphold. I may do a whole other live stream teaching you all how to find it. I can't find it right now, but I did find it last night when we were live streaming. So you definitely can do that. I might do a total live stream on that. But you do have a wallet address, which means you can hold your key. So this is the only place right now that you can get XRP in. Again, XRP may be a year or two hold, right? For many, but XRP and Bitcoin is just too currencies that me personally, again, I don't give financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, would hold me that I have in my personal wallet. Now, I invested in XRP before it came off of a lot of exchanges. But for some people that may be coming in late, Uphold does have a wallet for you. So I found that out last night and I saw it. There probably will be a different live stream. Now I'm reaching my 45-minute mark, so I would like to just go ahead and end the live stream. But thanks again, all of my kings and queens, right? Okay, Helen is in. Let's go, Helen. Helen says go to Uphold and click on the three dots under more. That will be the three dots. And she says go to click classic view. I don't even see it now. Hold on. Hold on. Is it activity? It's activity. I'm sorry. Oh, no, it's not. Let's generate report. I know I found it yesterday. Is it activity? Because activity and more. It shouldn't be under activity. Now, honestly, I don't see classic view anymore. They do have some new options. I just do a whole other live stream. They have block reward. Um, they have some new services under Uphold. Switch to classic view. You're telling me. All right, I'll do that later. Cause honestly, I didn't know if I was gonna live stream tonight. My back. I went to the gym and got on the rowing machine and really hurt my back. So I really hurt my back. So I won't get into that. It's near privacy. Okay. So let me thanks Truth Seeker for coming in. And I will share the last part of the video or the announcement about Dogecoin. For those who maybe came in late, get ready, dropping Friday. Snoop Dogg's first NFT collections, a journey with Doge. So this is the original soundtrack, right? Original soundtrack.
Snoop D.O. Dogg. In 2021, Snoop D.O. Dogg. NFT. Never forget to pass it. Quickest way to get your ass kicked. Oh yeah, this is another classic.
So that's on Twitter. So you all make sure that you follow crypto.com on Twitter. Thank you all so much. Oh yes, I forgot about Atomic Wallet. You can also get into XRP. But again, I'm not your financial advisor. Not giving you financial advice about your crypto portfolio. I just hope that you are in some type of cryptocurrency and preparing yourself for this financial reset. Yeah, I do have a phone mattress. I just did something bad on that rowing machine, and yeah, so I have me some muscle relaxers I'm about to take and go to bed. But just wanted to bring you all that breaking news, and I'm reading one more comment, then I'm logging off. All right. Thank you all for tuning in again. Hit the thumbs up, show support and channel. Deuteronomy 1:11 to you all is that I hope to God, or I pray to God, I know to God, if you position yourself for prosperity of this universe, will increase you 1,000 times more. Thank you all so much, my family, friends, and clients for tuning in. Here's to your health and your wealth, your peace. Thank you so much. Sis. Yeah, my back is tensing up now. I'm rocking and rolling in my chair. So I'm about to take these muscle relaxers. Just want to bring you out this breaking news for my kings and queens and family. You all have a good night as well. And here's to your health and your wealth, your peace, your prosperity, your credit, and your cash flow. Queen out. Have a great, great night.